Coming to the third problem, I have written only the data alone. You can refer the book, children, for the question. So what they have given is the area. Area A is equal to 10 to the power of minus 6 square meter, and then current I, okay, which is passing through a conductor. That value is 2 ampere. And then they have represented one more value, that is N. N is nothing but the number of electrons. Okay, number of electrons 8 into 10 to the power of 28. And then E value they have not mentioned. We have to consider, because here in the formula we will have to substitute E value. So E is nothing but charge of 1 electron. It's a constant value, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. And in this problem they have asked us to find two things. One is current density J. Another one, average drift velocity Vd. Both we have to find. So first we will write the formula for current density J. So J is equal to I divided by A. So both the values are given in the problem. So straight away we can substitute 2 divided by 10 to the power of minus 6. So 10 to the power of minus 6 we can bring it to the numerator. So 2 into 10 to the power of plus 6. And what about the unit? Ampere, meter, power minus 2. So this one we have found. Is that clear, children? Next we have to find the average drift velocity. So the formula for finding average drift velocity is equal to J divided by number of electrons into charge of 1 electron. So now we can just substitute. So Vd is equal to J. What is J value? We have found as 2 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by N value they have given in the problem as 8 into 10 to the power of 28 into E value 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Okay. So 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now we will sort out all the 10 powers. So in the numerator we have 1 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by denominator we have 4 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of 28 into 10 to the power of minus 19. First we will sort out these both. 28 minus 19. What will be the value? 8 and 1. So we will have 9. 28 minus 19 we will have 9 plus 9. So Vd is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by 4 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of 9. Again the next step, bring this 10 to the power of 9 to the numerator. So we will have Vd is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of 6 into 10 to the power of minus 9. When it is coming to the numerator, plus 9 will become minus 9 divided by 4 into 1.6. So now 1 into 10 power plus 6 and 10 power minus 9 becomes 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 4 into 1.6. 6 4s are 24. Remainder 2. 1 4 is 4. 4 plus 2 6. So 6.4. Up to this, is that clear, children? Okay, children, we will continue with this step. So we have 1 divided by 6.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So to remove this point, after the decimal we have one value. So we are multiplying with 10. So whatever number we are using in the denominator, the same number we will have to use in the numerator also. So here also into 10. So now we will have 10 divided by 64 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Now we will carry on the division over here. So 10 divided by 64. It's a small number, put here 0. So 0.1 time. 1 into 64. So when you subtract, you will get 36. Then put one more 0. Shall we try with 5, children? 64 into 5. 5 4s are 20. And then 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Yeah, 320. So 5 times 320. Then remainder you will have 40. Again put one more 0. 400. So shall we try with the next number 6? 64 into 6. 6 4s are 24. Remainder 2. 6 6 are 36 plus 2. 38. Yeah, 384. Now we will have the balance as a 16. Yes, then put one more 0. I think we can try with 2. So 64 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 6 4s are 12, 128. So, yeah, here I left the 6, I'm sorry, and then 2, one more 2. 2 times we got 128. So, we can stop up to this because we are going on getting the remainder. So, the answer is, finally we will have drift velocity VD is equal to 0.1562 into 10 to the power of minus 3. But if we want, for our convenience, we don't want to leave the answer as a 0 point. So we will make it as a some number. Okay. So we can make it as 15 point. 15 point means after 2 digits we are about to keep the point. That means in the power also we will have to add 2 numbers. That is 10 power minus 3 again minus 2. So we will have 10 power minus 5. So average drift velocity is equal to 15.62 into 10 to the power of minus 5 meter per second. So this is the answer for drift velocity. I will repeat the formula again, children. So in this problem we have found two things. One is current density J is equal to, what is the formula? I divided by A. Another one, average drift velocity VD is equal to J divided by N into E. Thank you.